everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on the Bargain Bead Box. Now the Bargain Bead Box is a monthly subscription. It is $19.49 and so worth the price. So I highly encourage you to get a subscription for yourself. You get so much for the value. As a matter of fact, this month's value is valued at $72. So you can't beat it. You get a lot of good quality items in here. And we're going to get started. You can see I still have this under wraps here. So I'm going to open this up. Get a little peek here. So we can see it's in a green organza, pretty little tie bag here. This little pouch bag. How pretty is that? So I'm going to take this out, get this organized for us, get them all numbered in order, and we'll get started. Get this out of the way here. I'll give you a little something to look at while I do that. My Russian spiral bracelets here. And if you want to know how to make these, you can go to my YouTube channel, okay, The Beaded Jewel, and you will see on there how to make these. And if you want to get a kit, because I use all precursor crystals, which are beautiful crystals, so if you want to, you know, get a kit for yourself, I highly suggest you pick one up because they go really fast. So I have kits available, everything you need except for a needle to make these. Actually, to make the rainbow one, I have all the rainbow crystals in the kit. So you can go right here and get it on our Shopify store, which is the beadedjewelstore.com. And you can also get it on our Etsy store also, but it's cheaper on the Shopify store. Okay, and I'll link it in the description below where it says show more. Okay, so let me get these started. I'm going to line it up. We're going to get started with the Bargain Bead Box, and I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, we're ready to get started with our Bargain Bead Box. I'm just going to leave this here so you have something to look at while I tell you about this month's theme. And the theme is called, every month is a different theme, so it's always like a surprise theme, which is really fun. So this month it is called Stirring Earth, and basically it's, you know, as spring begins, the browns and grays of winter come alive with a growing green. This month's collection features rich earthy tones inspired by nature's treasures. Highlights include ancient Z-style agate, silverleaf jasper, and ocean jasper gemstone beads. Green agate, handmade porcelain, and crystal accents add a pop of color and sparkle, while hammered style bronze findings complete the package. So this is going to be a really pretty theme for April. So, and as always with the Bargain Bead Box, when you subscribe, you will get a coupon code for 30% off at their sister store, which is Bead Box Bargains. You can find a lot of great stuff there. And you can always enter what you make into their monthly contest to win a $50 gift certificate for Bead Box Bargains. And let's see what else. And I think that's it. So we're going to go ahead and get started. There's 19 items in this for this month. And let's get started. We'll get this out of the way. And let's get started with number 1. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on items that, you know, we're used to seeing all the time. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good enough. So this is a chain. This is number 1 is a 1 meter 4x3 mil textured steel jewelry chain. It's really pretty. I like the texture on there. Really adds a nice element to a plain chain. So that's really nice for a chain. Okay. Get that out of the way. Number 2. Number 2 is a 10-piece 15x10 mil nickel-free brass leverback earring findings. There you go. They're nice. Very nice. They look, you know, kind of vintage looking. Number three is a piece 15 mil hammered style links. Don't need to take them all out. There we go. And I guess they're both on each same side. Yep. Looks like it anyway to me. Okay. We've got that texture going on. And number four is 13-inch strand of 4 mil crystal bicone beads in peach shimmer. I love this color. So pretty. Look at that. So pretty. And there's your shimmer. Number five. Number five is a 6-piece 15 by 6 curved hammered style. Here we go with the hammered again. Hammered style double strand links. So here we go. These are nice. A lot of texture in this month's bargain bead box. Kind of almost looks like little leaves etched in there. Really pretty. It's the back. Number six. Number six is 2 sets of 31 mil double strand toggle clasp. And again, got a lot more texture going here. These are nice. Isn't that nice? It's also a nice size. Look at that. It also has that vintage look also. Number seven is 10-piece, 10 mil hammered style coin spacer beads. I'm not going to take them all out. Again, it has the texture on there. We got some weight to it too. Okay. And number 8 is a 15-inch strand of 6 mil green striated agate beads. And these are dyed heated. This is pretty. There's colors. See, you have different shades of green going on here. Really pretty. And it's really going to look pretty with the sparkle. And your textured chain. These are really nice. Cut real nice in between the stones. Really pretty. Okay, next. Number 9. Number 9 is 22 gauge, 20 mil, 22 gauge steel eye pins. If I can get them open. I am not going to pull these all out. We know what these look like. Okay. Number 10. Tempe Strand 8x7 mil matte stripe crystal bicone beads and slate shimmer. So pretty. Again, they got some texture going on there. Isn't that nice? Look how pretty that is. And that nice shape to it. It's really pretty. Look at that. Very nice. It's going to add a nice element to the design. Number 11, 2-piece 13 by 11 Z-style agate barrel beads. Here we go. Oops. These are nice. Looks a little 70s to me. Oh, looks like these came right out of the 70s. That's what it reminds me of. It's really nice. You got your pre-drilled hole right there. Number 12. Number 12 is a two-piece 32 by 26 hammered style round pendant. And we got two of these. Very nice, huh? You got your built-in bail on there, ready to go. You get two of them. Number 13. Number 13 is a 4-piece 15 by 8 mil handmade porcelain oval beads in antique green. That's really pretty. Very nice. Number 14. 14 is 2-piece 2830 mil Z-style agate focal beads. This is interesting. Look at that. These look very primitive almost. Very vintagey looking. How cool is that? These are really pretty. Number 15. 15 is the 7 by 5 inch strand of 8 mil silver leaf Jasper gemstone beads. There we go. It's very nice. It'll look great with these. Very pretty. Sixteen is 7 inch strand 10 mil ocean Jasper gemstone beads. Bigger ones, bigger gemstone beads. So it's nice you have a mix of sizes, textures, colors. Really pretty. 17 is 7 inch strand of 8 by 6 mil crystal Pendant beads in cappuccino shimmer. That's pretty. So you got more color and texture here. Very nice. And 18 is 6 by 4 mil crystal faceted oval beads, multi-grain shimmer. These are gorgeous. Look at that. Put a few down there. It's really pretty. Look how they sparkle. It's almost shaped like a little tiny Easter egg. Really pretty. So that's pretty. And the last one, number 19, 10-piece strand, 11 by 8 faceted glass barrel beads in forest green. Here we go. This is pretty. Oops, mine's cracked there. Oh well, I got one that's cracked. I won't see the piece to it, but these are really pretty. Wow. Wait till you, if you already get this subscription, wait till you see this. It's just a really nice shade of green. And it's the faceted, the way it's cut there, it throws off that sparkle. It's really pretty. So that's it for this month's bargain bead box. Go subscribe, get yourself one for $19.49 a month. Okay, and I will see you next month for our next video on the bargain bead box. And remember, if you want to make one of my bracelets here, because they are gorgeous, okay, you can go to my YouTube channel, The Beaded Jewel, and you can go to my Shopify store and get your kit to make one. I believe it's $40 on the Shopify store, and on the Etsy store it is, I think, $45, because there's a lot more fees with Etsy and everything. So that's it. If you're new and you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. That would help a great deal. And that is it. Have a great week, everybody, and I'll see you back here very soon to make more jewelry. Bye-bye, everybody.